Hello everyone, Polkadot Insider is back. And today we walk into a tutorial video about staking our unlocked DOT tokens to optimize our profits while still holding and supporting Polkadot. Yeah, we are going to have a step-by-step guideline for it in several dApps on the Polkadot ecosystem. Let's check it out. First, on October 24th, nearly 100 million DOT tokens from the parachain auction crowd loans are set to unlock for projects like Moving Network, Acala, Star Network, Parallel, and Clover. So, while we hold a substantial amount of DOT, what are the options for us to optimize the profit? And yes, staking is normally chosen. It gives us as stakers rewards with juicy APRs while contributing to the blockchain security. So, the question now is where to stake our unlocked DOT? Alright, we have some options. Here are 4 applications: On Bifrost, Parallel, and the last app is the most important one. So please watch this video to the end, and the most surprising thing is waiting. Well, having a Web3 wallet is a compulsory thing when we start staking with these applications. And currently, we have a variety of wallets on the Polkadot ecosystem, such as Subwallet, Talisman, and Nova Wallet, with many outstanding advantages. Friendly interface, easy to use, extensions on Chrome, Brave, and Edge, mobile applications on iOS and Android, and active support team. And the first one that we want to introduce is Acala, a DeFi hub on the Polkadot ecosystem. There are 2 ways for us to stake in on Acala at the normal staking dApps or Euphrates, but in this video we prefer to stake on Euphrates, the new feature to boost our DOT profit. There are 2 pools, L.DOT and T.DOT, with juicy APRs on the Euphrates feature of Acala, and we try to stake on L.DOT pool today. On L.DOT pool, our DOT token will be converted to Acala liquid staking DOT, L.DOT, after release expires. L.DOT earns DOT staking rewards and fast redemption fees. To stake, click on Stake Now button, then enter the amount of DOT tokens and click Stake to finish. Alright, let's get to our next option, Bifrost, the LSD platform on Polkadot. On Bifrost, we can stake our DOT tokens to VDOT with a base APY at 17.45%. Then, we can boost our profit by farming these VDOT in some liquidity pools for an average APY of around 22.5%. Okay, now let's start staking DOT on Bifrost through this guideline. Step 1. Click on Go to Stake button on the home page. Then click VDOT tab. Step 2. Enter the amount of DOT that we want to stake. And Step 3. Click on Stake button to finish. Another option for us is Parallel, one of the first parachains to launch liquid staking on the Polkadot ecosystem. This platform provides a lot of features for DOT holders, such as staking, lending, borrowing, crowd loan, and swapping. At present, Parallel is offering a one-click DOT yield strategy for 12.07% APY in 3 steps. Step 1. Stake in 50% of our DOT into liquid staking for S.DOT. Step 2. Adding our DOT and S.DOT into AMM liquidity. Step 3. Depositing LP.dot S.DOT into MM for farming. And the last one that we are going to introduce is the Polkadot nomination pool, a new feature for Polkadot staking system that allows users to pool their DOT tokens together on-chain to nominate validators and receive rewards. Nomination pools are one of the key features from the roadmap of staking improvements on Polkadot. They are designed to permissionlessly allow members to pool their funds together and act as a single nominator account. And today, we try to stake our unlocked DOT on a nomination pool through Subwallet earning. Step 1. we need to get access to web.subwallet.app. Step 2. Click on Earning on the left sidebar. Step 3. Click on Stake Now on the Polkadot nomination pool. Step 4. Enter the amount of DApp that we want to stake. Step 5. Select a pool, then click on Submit. Step 6. Click on Approve the contract and wait for the progressing. And yeah, we have successfully staked our DApp tokens to this pool. It's so simple and easy, right? Alright guys, that's a video about how we can stake our unlocked DApp tokens with notable applications on a Polkadot ecosystem. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Polkadot Insider for more insightful videos. Bye! See you very soon.